2024 is shaping up to be a crucial year in the search for new worlds. Last year, NASA confirmed the discovery of over 5,000 exoplanets. The list is incredibly diverse, including rocky super-Earths, gas giants like Jupiter, and icy giants like Neptune. And this is just the beginning! It's estimated that there could be over 1 trillion exoplanets in our galaxy alone. But the big question is, how many of these can actually support human life? Are there any planets on this list that could potentially harbor life or become our future home? The answer is yes. Between 2022 and 2023, we found 5 such planets. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey beyond our solar system. First up on our list is Wolf, 1069b. The name is a bit boring and stiff, so let's just call it Wolfie. Who's going to stop me, NASA? A new study by 50 experts. Astronomers confirmed something amazing. The exoplanet Wolfie, located just 31 light-years away from us, could be a rocky world. In other words, theoretically, this planet could be habitable. The team behind this discovery used a technique called radial velocity to detect the exoplanet. This is how scientists study the movement of stars and planets, similar to playing catch with a friend. When your friend throws the ball towards you, you can see it getting closer. That's like radial velocity. When a planet moves towards us, it makes its star appear to move closer. When the planet moves away, it makes the star appear farther away. Scientists use this information to learn about the planet's activity and size. That's how they found Wolfie. This exoplanet is estimated to be Earth-sized and has a mass 1.5 times that of Earth. It orbits a red dwarf star, which we'll call Mama Wolfie. But here's an interesting fact. Wolfie orbits within its star's habitable zone, meaning there's a chance liquid water could be found on its surface. It's like hitting the exoplanet jackpot! Oh, if only I had a ticket to go there. The study estimates that if Wolfie has an atmosphere like Earth's, temperatures could reach 12 degrees Celsius, meaning liquid water could pool on the planet's surface. But the downside is that this exoplanet is tidally locked to its star, meaning the same side always faces the star. Imagine one side of the planet always bathed in the warmth of its star, while the other side remains in perpetual darkness, like middle school. Just kidding. The team behind this discovery believes this planet is very worthy of further study, but we might have to wait another 10 years to get answers. In the meantime, we just need to keep looking at the sky with our telescopes and hope for the best. Next up is TOI 700d. What would be a good nickname for this planet? NASA has just discovered a new planet that's going to shake up our galaxy. This is going to be exciting, so I'm going to name it Toys. Toys is almost the size of Earth and likely has liquid water on its surface. It's only 100 light-years away, which is pretty close in the grand scheme of things. Toys is the 4th planet in its solar system and has a short orbit, taking just 28 days to circle its star. That means you'd have a birthday every month. Hooray! This discovery was made using the transit method. Planets are tiny and hard to detect, but when they pass in front of their star, they block some of its light, making the star appear slightly dimmer. When the planet moves away, the star brightens again. So to find this planet, scientists carefully observed changes in the star's brightness. If it dims, it means a planet is playing hide-and-seek with us. That's how scientists found Toys. The TESS mission, which discovered Toys, has found 66 new exoplanets and 2,100 other candidates still waiting to be confirmed. TESS has been busy imaging 75% of the sky. Talk about efficiency. Toys is in the optimistic habitable zone, located between planets C and D. However, it might be tidally locked like Wolfie, meaning we might have to settle for water only on one side of the planet. The discovery of Toys is a promising prospect for future observations and shows TESS's potential to find even smaller exoplanets in the future. Who knows, maybe one day TESS will find a new home for humanity among the stars, or at least a new vacation spot. Next up, we have the twins GJ1000c. The galaxy is getting closer with the discovery of 2 exoplanets that I'll call Hansel and Gretel, which are very close to our solar system. These 2 Earth-like planets are less than 16 light-years away, just a hop in space terms. For comparison, Proxima Centauri b is the closest exoplanet with a mass similar to Earth, at 4.2 light-years away. So these new neighbors are among the closest to us. They orbit a red dwarf star with a mass almost 1/8 that of the Sun, pretty cool and dim, but that's okay because these planets are very close to their star. Hansel takes 10 days to orbit its star, while Gretel takes about 21 days. More frequent birthdays, right? This discovery was made by an international team of scientists, and it wasn't easy. They had to work with two instruments, Espresso and Carmenes. The result? Extremely accurate measurements. So precise you could count the craters on the planet's surface. Amazingly, these planets are in the habitable zone. Its star and its perfect size make it an excellent candidate for future atmospheric studies. The lead researcher mentioned that nature seems to be showing us that Earth-like planets are quite common. With this discovery, we now know there are 7 planets in planetary systems, close to the Sun. Who knew our neighbors could be so friendly? In conclusion, the discovery of Hansel and Gretel is a giant leap for humanity. So let's raise a glass of H2O, or whatever drinkable liquid we might find on an exoplanet and celebrate. The last planet on our list is LP899c, which I'll call Bob. This super-Earth is about 98 light years away and roughly 40% larger than our home planet. It also has a twin, which I'll call Ray, that is up to 75% larger than Earth. More space is always better, right? Both planets orbit a red dwarf star. Unfortunately, Ray is quite hot, with temperatures estimated to reach 123 degrees Celsius, so don't touch it. Bob, on the other hand, is in its star's habitable zone, making it a strong candidate for hosting life. However, the actual temperature of these planets depends on their atmospheres. There's a chance that Bob, being the outermost planet, has a significant greenhouse effect, making it more like Venus than Earth, so it might be too hot to inhabit. But don't lose hope yet. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in December 2021, is investigating these planets with cutting-edge technology and instruments, including spectrographs. This telescope can peer into the atmospheres of exoplanets and reveal which ones might be habitable. So let's see what it finds. This planet is already listed as the second most favored terrestrial planet in the habitable zone. Now, it joins the list of 7 other Earth-like planets within about 40 light years from us. These planets might become our new homes in the future, or perhaps we need to fix up the home we have now. But until that time comes, enjoy this moment and celebrate all these new discoveries. Who knows how many more planets we'll find in the future? Given the rapid pace of technological advancement each year, thousands, millions. In the meantime, Bob and Ray, Hansel and Gretel, toys, Wolfie, and their star will always be out there waiting for us. 2024 is shaping up to be a crucial year in the search for new worlds. Last year, NASA confirmed the discovery of over 5,000 exoplanets. The list is incredibly diverse, including rocky super-Earths, gas giants like Jupiter, and icy giants like Neptune. And this is just the beginning! It's estimated that there could be